The Arthrex Knotless FiberTak soft suture anchor is designed with a unique tensionable knotless technology, allowing the user to control and tension the repair under direct visualization. The curved guide is introduced and positioned on the bone surface. A flexible 1.8 mm drill is used to create the bone socket. Leaving the guide in place, the Knotless FiberTak anchor is inserted and gently impacted until the handle is flush with the guide. Remove the handle and drill guide, leaving the parasuture and shuttling suture. Set the anchor by grasping all suture limbs and pull at a slow, consistent pace until the anchor is set in bone. Retrieve the repair suture through the anterosuperior cannula with a suture retriever. Using a suture lasso, pass a nitinol wire loop through the labrum. Retrieve the wire loop and insert the repair suture through the wire loop. The wire and suture are retracted back to the tip of the lasso and passed through the tissue. Next, retrieve the repair suture and the round, looped end of the 2/0 shuttling suture. Load the repair suture tail through the suture loop. Fold the repair suture tail at the indicator mark on the suture. Pull the tape end of the shuttling suture to shuttle the repair suture. Once the shuttle suture is removed, tension the repair suture until the desired tension is achieved. Cut the suture tail flush against the bone with a suture cutter. Repeat steps for additional fixation points. The final construct is a low-profile knotless FiberTak repair.